Hey guys, what's going on? Snapshot Medical Kitchen here. It's a little different, a little stuffy style since I'm home alone. So today we're going to be making Korean chicken wings. So same thing as the other chicken wings I did in the air fryer, just a little bit of marinade on it that I made myself. So again, air fryer, 400 degrees, 30 minutes. And give or take, depending on how much chicken, I'm using about 2 pounds of wings. And we're going to go ahead and marinate the chicken, make it all nice and delicious, and serve it with some brown rice to keep it healthy. Maybe some stir-fried vegetables, whatever you got. So yeah, so we're going to do Korean chicken wings today. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace out. Okay, so we're going to make the marinade for these wings. The main base is going to be a soy sauce. So I have 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce. That's going to be the main kind of base. It's going to give it its flavor. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and you could also have like a minced ginger if you'd like, but I don't have any here, so I didn't make it. Just 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And then to give it a little bit of kick, we have some gochujang or red chili paste. This is actually from Korea. So it's about 2 ounces. We're just going to put all that in there. Mix it all up and then let it sit for as long as you want. A couple hours, depends, kind of however you want to wait, let it marinate for. You can also put like oranges in there to add like a little bit of a citrus taste, but I didn't have an orange either. So this is what we're going to go with here and mix it all up and let it sit for a while. All right, so as you can see, we have a lot more sauce than chicken. Once these have been sitting around for a while, they'll soak up all the flavor. So we're gonna put them individually in the air fryer, and then we're gonna at the same time at a low heat saute the leftover sauce to kind of thicken it. And then once the chicken is done, we're gonna re-put on the same sauce, the same marinade on the chicken when they're done. So we kind of get the chicken is exposed to it 2 times. And when it's thicker, hopefully, it's not going to just be so loose where it falls off right away. And can kind of stick on the chicken while we eat it. So that's what we're going to do with the chicken and the sauce.